We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best customer service, and we're proud to say, according to our reviews, we're doing a great job. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away as a very satisfied customer. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.